Are you struggling to perfect your assignments and essays? Finding errors in your work can be challenging, even for the most proficient writers. It's a common problem that many students face. You have written your assignment, but when it comes to proofreading, you just can't seem to catch those subtle mistakes. That's where TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions comes in. We understand the importance of flawless assignments, and we're here to help you achieve that perfection. Our team of experienced proofreaders is here to ensure your work is clear, accurate, and easy to read. But what sets us apart? First, our proofreaders have extensive experience in editing various types of documents, from research papers to theses. They have a keen eye for detail, ensuring your work is error-free. Second, we understand that students have tight budgets. That's why our services are reasonably priced, so you won't break the bank to get your work perfected. Third, we go the extra mile by combining automated proofreading tools with human expertise. We use grammar and spelling checkers like Grammarly and EditMinion, followed by manual proofreading by our skilled team with doctoral degrees in language and communication. So, if you want to submit assignments that stand out, choose TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions. Visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in or call us at +9 18305233223. Email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in.